ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the BTV Newscast.
Let's interview Miss Cheslock.
Miss Cheslock?
What is the walkathon?
Yeah, so our walkathon is the one and only fundraiser that we do for the year. And basically you get pledges in order to walk laps from 3 to 5 after school. And then you guys come in and we celebrate the success of the walkathon from 5 to 9 with like inflatables, food, all sorts of stuff.
When is the walkathon?
The walkathon this year will be from like 3:15 to 9 p.m. on Friday, October 20th.
And what are we raising money for?
Yeah, so the money that you actually raise goes all back to you. So any field trips that we go on throughout the year, we try to take away as much expense as we possibly can. Anything that, like your Pride Store stuff, any like big activities that your teachers do in their classroom. But essentially, the more money you raise, the more money that we have access to provide you with some pretty cool experiences here that you get at Bachelor.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Now let's go interview Mr. Rudkin about the car wash.
I'm here with
Mr. Rudkin?
and Mr. Rudkin, what is the BTV Car Wash?
Well, BTV Car Wash is our annual fundraiser. We've been doing it for over 20 years now. It'll be at the Big Lots parking lot, and we'll have about 25 to 30 students per session that will be washing cars as they come through for donations. The money will go towards needed BTV equipment.
When is this car wash?
It's going to be Saturday, September 30th. Saturday, September 30th starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 3:30 p.m.
Alright, thank you.
What are we doing next?
Let's go to the baking segment.
Welcome to Bachelor Baking.
This week we're making sugar cookies. Speed of the dry ingredients or something.
Yeah, once it's
I'm bad at this.
Let's chop up this butter a little bit. I forget if milk is on the ingredient list. Let's just put a little bit in there.
That smells like straight vanilla. How did you feel going into this challenge?
Really confident because I knew nothing I could do would be worse than Caleb adding an entire tablespoon of vanilla extract. So yeah.
How do you plan on decorating your cookies?
I think I'm gonna add food coloring to the icing so that it's like better than Caleb's, which isn't very hard, but still.
How did you feel going into this competition?
Going into this competition, I felt like I was going to win. I knew what I had what it takes, but once it started, I was a mess.
Why were you a mess?
I added way too much, what's it called, vanilla or something, and they all said that's not part of the recipe. I also added milk, which apparently isn't a part of the recipe, but I think we'll come out on top. Today I have brought German double-stuffed donuts with Purdue flavoring for you.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. I actually like that. Oh my god.
Today I've made for you simple, elegant Hoosier IU cookies.
With the score, the winner had 16.5. Beating out second place with a score of 16 is Kale Balsesser.
I won?
Yeah, Kale won.
Now let's go interview some teachers about college go-y.
Who am I here with?
Lisa Halter,
So, what college did you end up going to?
Purdue University. Go Boilers.
What did you get as your degree in college?
I had a degree in physical education and also in health and safety.
Alright, thank you. Who am I here with?
Mr. Baker,
Alright, what college did you end up going to?
I went to IU and I went to Indiana State University.
Alright, what degrees did you get when you went to those colleges?
At IU, I got a bachelor's degree in psychology, and at Indiana State, I got a master's degree in school counseling.
Alright, thank you. Who am I here with?
Mrs. Davidoff.
Alright, where did you go to college?
I went to college right here at IU in Bloomington.
Alright, what did you get your degree in when you went to IU?
I got my undergraduate degree in teaching for science, and then I got my master's for administration.
Alright, thank you. Who am I here with?
Miss Bracci.
All right, what school did you end up going to, Miss Bracci?
I went to none other than Iowa State University, baby.
All right, what did you get your degree in when you went to Iowa State?
I got my degree in elementary education with a minor in middle school language arts.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, who am I here with?
Mr. Stanger,
What college did you end up going to, Mr. Stanger?
Indiana University, Bloomington.
All right. What did you get your degree in when you went there?
Secondary Social Studies Education and Geography.
All right, thank you.
Go Hoosiers.
Now let's go recap Screwy.